Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with two wild math question and second one is a little bit more tricky. Shout out our top challenges, comment your answers to feature here. Our first question is 100 divided by 1 by 2 into 100. Take a pause and try to solve by your own. Okay, now I will solve stepwise with the help of PEMDAS. In my recent video, I already solved this type of question, so who watch, they can easily solve this. So here what we have, division and multiplication operation, and both have the same priority, and we have to solve from left to the right. And also in that case we have to solve for this part first. Okay, so what we can see here, 100 divided by 1 by 2, we will use the KCF rule, keep, change and flip. We will keep 100 and this division sign will be changed to multiplication, and flip, 2 will be numerator, so 2 by 1 into 100. Now this is very simple one. In the next step, 100 into 2, that is 200 into 100, and final answer is 20,000. Okay, comment your right answer. Coming to the next question, this one, 100 divided by parenthesis 10 divided by parenthesis 10 divided by 10 parenthesis close. Take a pause and try to solve by your own. Okay, now I will solve stepwise and as you know with the help of PEMDAS. So in PEMDAS we have to solve this P. P stands for parenthesis exponential multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So here we will solve this inner parenthesis part. So you will write like 100 divided by parenthesis 10 divided 10 divided by 10, which will be 1. Okay. Now again in the next step we have to follow this parenthesis part. Okay, now we will write 100 divided by, when we divide 10 with 1 we will get 10. Okay, now in the next step 100 divided by 10, that is equal to 10. So here right answer is 10. Check out more tricky maths videos here and thanks for watching.